So did you hear about the explosion in the cheese factory in France?
I did not.
There was debris everywhere.
I knew it was going to be one. Welcome to What the Fuck is in the Box, the show where we take a couple of minutes, Eric, to show you what comes in the box for the products you guys buy from us so you guys can continue to be successful business owners. I've got Eric.
What's up, fellas and ladies?
Got to be open to both of those, you know?
Well, you can be open to both of those. I'll be politically correct.
That's a good point.
Thank you.
Good point. I appreciate it.
Oh, boy.
What'd you bring?
This could be the first and only episode that we have to edit and redo.
What'd you bring?
Well, we brought the Caseta Wireless Dimmer Pro Kit.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Cool. Taking a look at the box.
Beautiful. They've done a good job with these kits, actually building out the boxes like this.
We're done.
Yeah.
It's right there on the box.
You shouldn't have showed that side first.
Nah, I failed.
You made a mistake.
Now we're going to look at this side back here.
Mm-hmm.
Love everything they have here. English and Spanish.
Habla español, amigo. Hola, por favor, marque el número dos. Gracias. You started it. You knew it was coming.
Dude.
Not going to be 3 minutes on this video either.
No stopping it. I'm sorry, everybody.
All right. So Caseta kit. These are the kits where they pre-package a few different parts together to kind of give you a starter kit for your system. Caseta is the starter system for the Lutron lighting products. Right?
Okay. And what
That's what they tell me.
Start?
Yeah, we really should have opened from the bottom. It gives a better presentation. So I guess the best way to explain it, you got these starter kits. It comes with the hub, it comes with a dimmer, it comes with a Pico. We're going to get to that as we open the box eventually. We'll bring a knife next time.
We had a knife earlier.
But it basically gives you the building blocks. You have to have the hub to start a system, and obviously you've got to have a lighter too, where you're controlling the system. So this is a
lighter?
Kind of a discounted price point kit where you can get the pieces that you need to start a system, because it's like, from what I understand, of course, heroin for the customers.
I want to use heroin, but I also want to get stuff done. That's why I reach for Heroin AM, the only non-drowsy heroin on the market.
Once you try it, you can't get enough. You got to keep coming back.
Holy cow.
I went there.
You did. All right, so contents inside. Let's take a look. This is actually probably one of the
It's nicely packaged.
very cleanest in the box options we've had in a long time.
Grammar police are going to get you.
I know.
Uh-huh. So this is the dimmer. Standard 600 watt dimmer from Caseta. I am, as we know, not the most mechanically inclined. Did my whole house on this stuff.
Yeah.
Really easy, really simple.
What's cool about their wires?
Black and green.
Wait. I don't have a gray wire. I have red, green, and yellow.
That's weird. I have light gray, medium gray, dark gray.
Colors are cool, Drew. Colors are cool.
So one of the cool things with doing these is you don't really need to pay attention to which wire you use. They're black and white. Both wires can be reversed. Doesn't matter on those.
Green for ground.
Yeah, that always has to be ground. That's a good point.
That's right.
You didn't burn your house down.
Yet.
Still
yeah,
not.
there's a chance that there's some stuff smoking in the walls. But yeah, so 600 watt dimmer. You've got the on button, the off button. You've got the dimmer cycles in the middle there, and LED status. So it'll tell you how light it is.
Yep.
If you're looking at the LEDs.
Standard decor plate, right? So that's nice as well. Those
Pops right off.
Yep.
Yeah. Pops right off.
You got it? Oh, this is so scary.
Ah!
All right.
Yeah.
So
snaps on, snaps off.
If your customer, if you were putting this into a switch where you had 3 decors already up there and you just wanted to replace one,
yep.
There's 2 screws right here. You can take it off and it fits into a standard switch. Dimmers are great. They're solid. They're rock solid. I believe they actually own the patent on dimmers. Correct? Yep. Pretty sure that's a fact. I don't know.
I forget the guy's name. Cy somebody or other.
Was it Cy Lutron?
No, sure wasn't.
Well, taking a shot there.
Yep.
What's this?
Pico.
Pico.
Hey, Picos will change the world. Picos are super cool. My kitten, cat's not smart enough. Kitten turns on our lights in the living room. This is not a joke. We have a Pico. Comes with a nice pedestal stand. So cool thing about the Pico is you can see it's got this little slot on the back. So you can slide it onto a little tabletop pedestal stand that it'll sit on. They also have super cool mounts where you can mount it inside of the dimmer plate, slap it on the wall, and it looks like any other light switch. But point is, you can essentially put a light switch anywhere you want in your house. with these little picos.
What's the button in the middle for?
The button in the middle is a favorite setting, a stored setting. Yeah. So if you want to set the mood.
Ooh! Do I make you horny?
And you want to set the mood, you press and hold this button. It'll store that scene in the button, and then you just walk out and press the little round button.
And that can be used with other universal devices as an activity setting as well. There's a lot of cool stuff you can do there. So if you like your lights a little bit dimmer for a movie mode, you can set them at a certain brightness, hold that button, and then use that later. Are you doing this just to upset the graphics guys?
Yeah.
Can't wait to see what they do to you.
Oh boy.
So,
what else is in there?
Again,
are you still doing
really
Pico?
cool
Wait.
pieces.
All right, you busted out the hub.
It wasn't done.
The controller, the bridge,
if
you will. Yep. Right, so this is the new bridge. This has to go in every Lutron system, every Caseta system. Basically allows it to get on the network, allows everybody to talk to it, allows your phone to talk to it when you're outside the house. So you need one of these. Got
Comes with a short Cat 5 too, right? Cat 5.
How many cats?
I think 5 cats.
Right on. So yeah, you got your Ethernet on the back, you got your USB power, and then a little reset button on here.
Lovely little instruction book. We don't need to go through this.
No, and as a matter of fact, talking about instructions, so this is super cool. Lutron uses the app to set up, right? So you've got, I didn't bring my phone in, but you've got an app. Basically, you go in and you create a new device, and you press a couple buttons, and you program the entire lighting system through the phone app. Super easy, super cool. Gracias para pagar exclusivamente en el caso de México. Centro de Servicio Lutron. Sí.
That's not for us.
Yeah.
I don't know that
You
one.
got some wire nuts there? No. I never know what these things are called. Wire nuts?
Yeah,
wire nuts.
You do know what they're called.
And a power cable.
So if you haven't done lighting before, this is a great way to get started. The kit comes with everything you need. You will get a dimmer, obviously, to go ahead and install into the wall. Your Pico can control that dimmer, which is actually a really cool feature. So if you put this on the wall and you put this on the table, you can actually control the light switch. So I think that's a great piece to
You don't have to do that. Clap on. Clap off.
Clap on, clap off, clap on, clap off. The clapper.
Did it work?
No.
I'm sure it's screwed with the audio nice and good.
So cool features about Lutron and Caseta systems. Drew, how many devices can you do with the Caseta system?
75.
75.
Hey, got it in there.
Used to be 50, right? But they were able to
How
update
did they
it.
fix that? Magic it is.
They just came out with a fan speed controller. So now you can actually use the Caseta system and control your fan speeds. Feature that you use the most with your system, what is it?
With the actual system.
Lutron, Caseta?
Lights on, man. Voice control.
Lights on, voice control. So
Yeah,
Google
man.
and Amazon. I like the fact that we're, my wife, when we're out of the house, it's tied to her phone. It geofences on her phone. So probably the nicest thing for me is I know when I'm out of town, if she's coming back to the house and it's after dark, as soon as she pulls into the neighborhood, the lights in the house will turn on.
I just like looking at you during story time.
Hey!
Look at me, sure. Look at me, sure. I'm the captain now.
I think that's probably the biggest selling pitch. I think it matters more than people are like, oh, I'm not lazy. I don't need some switch to turn on the lights. I don't need to tell Alexa to turn on the lights. For me, it's security, right? If the wife is coming home after dark, pulling into the driveway, I don't want her walking into a dark house. I would rather the lights come on 3 minutes before she even pulls into the driveway. And if somebody's in the house, they're going to scatter.
Yeah, light control is actually one of the best forms of security. A lot of people don't know that, but lighting actually deters more theft than anything else. So you can actually set these with timers when you actually are out of town.
Mm-hmm.
So you can have it so it cycles a light cycle just like you were normally home.
So actually randomized too.
You can do that
Yeah.
as well. Yep. You can do all kinds of fun with these, but this kit gives you everything you need to get started. You can add on additional switches to Eric's point, up to 75 devices.
Mm-hmm.
Is that for me?
Says be mine.
Do you want me?
No. So, and you can also schedule stuff. Our pool light comes on at sunset every night and then goes out at 9:30 because my wife drinks wine and she forgets to turn off the pool light. So we have it set to automatically turn off. Sorry,
away
honey.
from that.
Yeah.
All right, so recap.
Got it all.
Let's recap. Well, first off, thank you to the guys at Lutron for providing, because we're giving this away.
Thanks, guys.
Giving it all away.
Somebody's going to get this kit.
How do they get it?
Who gets it?
How do they get it?
How do they get it?
Yeah.
I am told by people that they have to like, subscribe, and comment.
Mm.
Yeah.
Very-
On this video specifically.
What if they already subscribed?
What they don't have to do is eat super hot food with a fire helmet on their head.
We're going there.
You checking for boxes?
There's no boxes. I looked already.
Yeah. Like, comment, and subscribe on the video. Please share this for us as well.
We appreciate it. Again, recap real quick. We come with the switch, which comes with a decor plate that Eric so conveniently took off. And I will make sure we know it does easily clip on and off. You got the bridge, cat pipe cable, a Pico switch, power supply, instruction manual, and we will include this totes heart to the winner because we totes love you.
Lucky you.
Thank you guys.
I apologize for my behavior. I've had too much sugar today.
We'll see you guys next time.
And now available in gummy bears, which you can melt down and inject.
Oh, yeah.